Dear. Well, I found you. What condition are you in? Actually doesn't look to be in that bad condition. Let's make this safe first of all. Oh, the lipo's come out. GoPro's there. Oh, GoPro's still recording. GPS covers come off. Front hatch has come off. Propeller is broken. I mean, apart from a little bit of mud here, you wouldn't even know that this has crashed. I can't believe that. I can't believe how intact that thing is. That's one hefty slam into the ground as well. So I've had time to take a look at the Talon GT on the very long walk back from the crash site, and I actually noticed this crack here. You can probably just about see. There's a crack there. That crack's on both sides, you can see. But other than that, I mean, I think it's in fairly decent condition. Also, the lipo's fine as well. I thought it had been crushed, but it hasn't. It's literally just where the Velcro is on the heat shrink. The heat shrink stayed in place, and the lipo just burst out the end of the heat shrink. So the lipo is actually in good condition as well. So all good.